So here we are, the OONI KARU 16. We decided to get this pizza oven because we can put wood in it and charcoal. So you can also put it on gas, but we want to do something that's not costing anything. So we decided to take this version above the gas version, so we can heat it up with our own wood. And we took the 16 instead of the 12 because it's a bit bigger and we want to make bread, pizza, you can make chicken in it and a lot of other stuff. So let's try this out. I'm curious if we are capable of making these amazing pizzas which they're promoting. And they say that you can heat it up in 15 minutes. So that was also one of our decisions to go for this version and not a traditional pizza oven. Because you have to heat it up for 3 hours to get the real heat. And we're only the two of us. So how many pizzas are we going to make? Not like 20. So is it worthwhile to have an old traditional pizza oven that you need to heat up for so long? We lit up the fire and indeed in 50 minutes it's on 388. That is degrees Celsius. And we put in a bit of wood, a bit of small pieces and a bit of charcoal because they say you need to mix it for the pizza. For the dough, to be honest, I made it a bit complex because we have our own mother yeast, which is always more difficult. But yeah, you have to try it the hard way, otherwise we will not know if it's really working, this oven. So this is a mother yeast with a mix of with 4 types of flour, and it says being resting in the fridge for 6 hours, and before that it was 12 hours outside of the fridge. I made six little balls, and this will be the 6 pizzas, and I will let it rest for a little bit. We're checking out the temperature now for the right heat. It should be between 350, 400. We have to really test it out. We have no clue how fast this will go. First pizza we made a white pizza and a bit lower. Just to test it out, because if you put a pizza in with a lot of toppings, it will be really difficult. So far so good, it's rising well. Yeah, to be honest, you can't mistake a pizza like this, because there's no toppings. Unless your dough is really, really badly made. Just a minute, not longer, and you can see it's already cooked. It's ready to eat. Just checking the bottom if it's cooked. Almost. Okay, we're cutting now the pizza. Let's see if we have some bubbles in the pizza.
Let's see. Maybe. Pizza done by foreigners. Okay.
To be honest, it's not that bad. It's looking okay. You see it a little bubbly. It rises well. It can be better. It's the first test, just to check how hot the oven is. Let's try it with some toppings. That will be a more difficult task to do. So this is the second pizza with tomato sauce, bit of onions and a bit of mushroom. And what's happening, it's burning, and it's burning bad. So probably the fire is too high, or it has to do with the toppings. Some things went wrong badly.
Trouble is that outside. Wait. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. You know, I like burning my hand though.
Okay, third try. Can we make a pizza, a proper pizza? Until now, not really. Okay, the third one is worse. Carla put too many toppings on it and you can see it. It's sticking. We wanted to go the professional way, but didn't happen. But we're not giving up, eh? We have to make this pizza. Really. And we're going to eat this pizza as well, eh? Because we're hungry and it looks bad, but we can eat it. The taste will not be that bad.
Dimmi tu.
Hopefully. The second thing we're missing is a bit of the turning skills. We have to watch some videos. How can we turn a pizza? It looks so easy, but it is not easy.
Cosa c'ho diverso? Dimmi tu. Dimmi.
Let's clean out the oven because it's all messy now on the stone and we don't want to eat all this black charcoal, sticky onions underneath it. Okay, the fourth pizza. It's a bit of heavy toppings again. We're going hardstyle. Mozzarella, guanciale and onion. Looks nice. We are using semolina underneath the pizza, so it sticks a bit less. That was a trick we saw in another video. Okay, burned again. But the inside looks really, really fluffy. No, it's a bit of a temperature thing. If we manage to control the temperature, let's see, it will get better. At least we're having some fun with friends.
Bellissima. Guarda.
Italian pizza cats. They are smelling the nice flavors of the pizza. They will get a little piece, of course. Okay, now we're getting serious. I'm going to make the last two pizzas. And I'm going to use the mozzarella because I think the pizzas are a bit thick. Some serious business going on here, eh? Let's see if I'm right. Look what a bellezza. Let's see what's going to happen. I think it's going rather good. Seen some bollicini. It's not burning. We got the temperature under control now. Hey, we're getting there.
Fatto, eh?
It looks rather perfect. Let's take a bite. Yeah, it's a good pizza. The other thing with the mozzarella, I think it's getting a bit more flat. I like it when it's more bubbly. We have to get the dough under control, and I'm sure we're going to make some excellent pizzas with this OONI KARU. Look this one, the last one. It's really pretty. So concluding, what do we think about the OONI KARU 16? I think it has a lot of potential. For the first time, look at these bubbles. It's amazing. For the first time, we did a really good job. We burned 3 pizzas, but that's fine. You have to make some mistakes. Without mistakes, you don't learn. So, yeah. I'm happy about the OONI KARU. And we will keep you up to date. We will make some other stuff as well. Ciao, ciao!